Hello friends, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In the previous classes, we have seen how to define list in Python and how we can access elements of a list using their position value, that is index. So in this example, you can see here in line number 2, we are using -1 as a position value. So when you use negative indexing, it will try to access the elements from the end of the list. Okay, and in the third line you can see we are saying marks of 2. Marks of 2 means so you say something like the position start from 0 0 1 and 2, so that means the output will be 2 for this line, and for this line -1 means from the end it is a 16. So let's run the program and see the output here. See here, you got 16 and 21 as a output. So this is how we define list in Python, and this is how we access item from the list using their position value. And now let's say you want to add more elements to this marks list here. Okay, that means you have another marks that you want to add to this list. So for adding any extra items to the list, we use a method called append. Okay, so how do we do it? So something like this, marks dot append, and within the parentheses you have to pass the value, whatever the value that you want to append here. Now let's say I want to append like 15 here. Okay, after appending you might want to see whether it has appended or not. So for that, let's print out that entire marks list and see the output. See here, we got the 15 at the end of the list. So that means when you do append, what will happen is it will append that value at the end of the list here. Well, that means after 15, after 16. So let's add one more item to this list, that is 14, and let's run this program. See here. So you got 15 and 14. So that's about appending items to the list, guys. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss one more function about the list. Till then, take care.